What's going on, y'all? So this is going to be the fourth video in my small mini series vlog for my DCIM capstone class. So we're going to be talking about wearable technology, aka fitness technology, and how that has meshed its way into the fashion industry. So something that a lot of people may not know, what is wearable technology? So wearable technology is basically anything technology related that you can wear. It's not like having a phone, it's not like having a laptop. Those are things that are tangible and you can hold, but you're not wearing them. It's more of different objects. So like glasses can be wearable technology if integrated in the right sense, like Snapchat glasses. You can have different necklaces that are wearable technology. What I'm going to be focusing on is the watches or the bracelets or the wristlets, whatever you want to define them as. So in terms of wearable technology, what are we looking at? So like I mentioned, watches, Fitbits, Garmins. By watches I mean the Apple Watch. In terms of fitness, what it does is they do they do your very basic needs. All of them will tell time. All of them will just tell you day, hour, things like small things like that nature, stuff that an actual watch will provide you with. In terms of the technology side, what they do is, especially with the Apple Watch is a great piece of hardware, a great piece of wearable technology that's really reinvented how we look at a watch in general. In terms of smartwatches, what it does is it does a lot more. You can make calls, you can answer texts, you can use your GPS and it will vibrate depending on if you're close to your location or close to the next direction. It's a really big thing when it comes to technology scene, but not only technology but fashion. The smartwatch in general, the Fitbit and the Garmin are all different types of smartwatches that track your fitness, that track how often you need to run, how often you need to walk, how often you need to stand up, things of that nature. It also tracks your heart, your blood pressure, and it's a safety tool. A safety tool in the sense that you have to do what's right for yourself. You have to do what's right for your body. So in terms of fashion, what's changed? If you think about it, if you really think, it's very small details, but more and more you're gonna see people involved in the fashion industry wearing things of this nature, like I said, Fitbit, Garmins, or smartwatches, because these are things that keep people on track of their schedule in terms of activity. Like I mentioned, walking, just literally standing up, the steps they take, the calories they burn, small activities like this that keep people up to date. Nowadays, even social media has created this community where it's all about fitness. It's all about having that look. And what more than having that look is fashion. Fashion is there, streetwear is there, and they've combined. If you've seen a smartwatch, if you've seen like an Apple Watch for an example, or like any of the ones that I've listed, these are customizable features. Customizable features are essential when it comes to becoming in the fashion industry, because things have to blend together, things have to look right with one another. So something that has recently been coming up, people have been supporting this with all their accessories. A lot of stores are now coming out with accessories for these wearable technologies. So for the Apple Watch, as an example, you have big name brands that sell like Michael Kors, Louis Vuitton, like Gucci, like just big brick and mortar stores like Nordstrom or like Macy's, selling different types of bands in order to have that ability to mesh them together. These high fashion luxury brands and just streetwear brands like Bape, they're looking at how people are using these technologies and finding their way to integrate how they work into that industry. So in this sense, it's not really about how tech has affected fashion, but how the fashion is going to affect the tech. It's very little. Like I mentioned, everything is very fitness oriented. So sometimes it's about the comfortability. So you want something that's going to be breathable, something that's not gonna interfere with the like sweating or anything like that. But for some people, it's very about that look. That's why they sell metal bands. That's why they sell leather bands. It's because it's a form of status that comes with it. Fashion's all about the status as well. You have to, if you want the part, you got to look the part, kind of ideal. So stores in the malls are going to have Apple Watch bands ready to be sold. Brick and mortar stores ready to be sold. They're there because this form of technology is reinventing how we look at fashion. Fashion isn't just clothing. Fashion isn't just a necklace. Fashion isn't just a piece of lens and frame that you wear on your face. Fashion is something that you can now interact with. It's now something that you can use on a daily basis to improve your life, but also just something that can make or break how your outfit looks. Like again, I said it's very small, but you're gonna see it more and more now. Everyone you're gonna see is gonna have an Apple Watch, and the thing about the Apple Watch is majority of the times, or like a Fitbit or Garmin, majority of the times, you're not gonna see the same ones. People organize them to their outfits. That's why they sell different colors. That's why people are always looking for different substitutes. Maybe if they're cheaper or more expensive, they want it to capture their image, capture how they look, and like I've been mentioning, aside from fitness, it's about the whole of wearable technology and fashion. They've become one in one, and as we see it more in our digital age and how we evolve in our social media presence, this is what is trending. This is what is going to improve. There's a thing called how do I say it? It's techwear, yeah. Techwear, even though not as much really with technology, it's creating something that's more useful. Techwear is basically the idea that you're creating something more useful, something that has more durability and wearability. That's what these smartwatches, that's what these Fitbits, that's what these Garmins are doing. They're creating that durability, they're creating that long-lasting feeling. And the customizability, the matching, the different faces you can use. Those are small things that are bringing fashion to the wearable technology. And it's just something that is going to keep rising and rising. Next thing you know, if you have any jewelry, necklaces, they're going to be wearable technology. Amazon has made a ring, an Alexa ring, that is wearable technology. It's combining that small detail in one's entire outfit and just taking another step. I hope y'all enjoyed that. If you want to read the articles, they're going to be down in the description below. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I will catch you in the next one. The next video is going to be, let me read my note. Next one is going to be about enhancing the customer experience. So hopefully y'all enjoy that, and I'll catch you in the next one.